So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this type of Minecraft cutting blocks ASMR videos with VO3 in Google Gemini. So first, you just need to come to Google AI Studio to create the image. So after coming to the Google AI Studio, click on Generate Media, then click on Imagine, then choose the model that you want to use. I'm going to choose Imagine for Ultra, and I'm using Google AI Studio. We can use other AI image generation, but I'm using Google AI Studio for better aspect ratio here. You can choose 9:60, 16:9, or any other aspect ratio that you want. So 9:16 for the TikTok and Shorts, and this is 16:9 for YouTube. So I'm just going to choose the 16:9, and here I'm just going to paste a prompt here. So this is the prompt that I made by ChatGPT. You just have to name the block name, what kind of block that you want to create video with. So after that, I'm just going to change the block name to grass. So I want to create an image of a grass block cutting ASMR video. So I'm just going to click run. So as the image, as you can see, it's looking pretty good. So just download it, just right click on it and click save as, and click save, and it will download on your PC. Now to create a video with this, just go to Google Gemini, click on video, generate with VO3. Now upload the photo, and you just need to describe your prompt here. So I'm just going to copy paste a prompt, and I'll give the prompt in the description box. Each time you give the prompt, you just need to change the block name from here. So this is a grass block, so I'm going to change the block name to grass. Then just click submit, and it will start to create a video. So you just have to wait for 2 minutes here. So after 2 minutes, our video has been ready. So that's it, guys. This is the video that I want to share with you. Now you can create lots of other videos. So just replace the block name with any of these like diamond, obsidian, slime, grass, or any other block that Minecraft can have. So I'll give this prompt in my description box. You just need to change the block name for video, and also change the block name in the image when you try to create an image. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.